Across the world, people who are particularly vulnerable with issues related to their well-being or their mental health are much more likely to give weekly to a charity or a cause than anyone else. This week, I wanted to explore why that is. Why is giving such an incredibly powerful pillar towards all of our well-beings? And why should we be building it into not just our own individual lives, but business strategies as well? I'm John from Ellis Mental Health Support, and we work with organisations to help understand, educate around mental health so that we can begin working in a less reactive way and in a way that constantly improves well-being and mental health across the business. This is part of our Improve programme, which you can find out more about on our website. And we have a free download that outlines all of these different pillars of well-being that you can begin building into your business strategy. Our work doesn't necessarily just help your own workforce, but revenue from this Improve programme goes towards providing people with sessions within our one-to-one service, helping to deliver an accessible service for children, young people and adults within our communities. So please reach out. The first insight session is free and it can be booked online via our website. Giving isn't necessarily just donating to your chosen cause or charity, but it's about working towards something that's bigger than ourselves, giving us that sense of purpose and meaning within our lives. It can do absolute wonders for our self-esteem, our self-confidence and our self-worth. Giving can actually change the way that our brain works. And if we're conducting ourselves in a way that is positively impacting others without an expectation of reward, it releases really good neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, all of these feel-good hormones which provide us with a rush of pleasure. And it actually at the same time shuts down the stress inhibitors. So if we're looking at this as a workforce, or if we're looking at this for our business, why would we not want to limit the people experiencing stress and improve the amount of pleasure people are experiencing at work? One simple way of doing this is supporting organisations that support others, sharing with your colleagues and your workforce what their work is going towards contributing to, getting marketing and comms involved and sharing it as a collective group so that everybody knows what they're working towards and what impact their work is having. By working with organisations that specifically track the impact that they're having, you're able to then demonstrate that to your colleagues to say that this is what your work is contributing towards. This is part of all of the work and the strategic partnerships that we develop with organisations. As a business, we provide revenue into our community support service so that we can provide individual and group support to children, young people and vulnerable adults in our communities. If you do want to find out more about how we might be able to help you and structure these 5 ways within your business, you can download a free guide to these 5 ways on our website, arthurellismhs.com, and there you can also book a free insight session for your business so that we can begin to map out how we can support the well-being of your staff.